Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing Oreo smoothies.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul.
What you'll need are 3 Oreos, of course, but if you want more, it's all up to you. We're also going to need box milk. This is the brand that I'm using, Surge. Hersheys chocolate syrup. Not required, but it tastes good in it, so I normally use it when I have it. So you want some vanilla. I'm using Benjamin vanilla. Last but not least, your ice. It's the tray ice, that's what I use, and it consists of 14 ice cubes. So yeah, the more ice the better. And if you want, you can add other like flavorings, whether nutmeg, coffee, a little bit of coffee, to spice up the thing. So that's all you need. So first thing first, I break my Oreos into like fine pieces. It doesn't really matter how you break them, as long as it's not like whole, so you're good to go. Then I'm going to add the ice or the milk. It doesn't really matter the order that I go in. I don't mind just throw everything in at once, but you can add the Oreo first, then your milk, and then the syrup, vanilla, then the ice last if you desire. So guys, ensure when you're adding the milk, it's like full to the brim. I don't mean like the brim up here, I mean like above the Oreo. Eyeball it, show a bit in there. Hersheys, I don't even know how to pronounce the thing. Just add a nice amount, it's a good amount. Last but not least, add the ice. Just put it inside in the jar to make it look presentable. Just add. Here you go, guys.